Hello guys! Welcome back po dito sa Automathing. So for this video po, pag-uusapan po natin ang work-word problems. Yung work-word problems, yung mga problems for example na, a certain person can complete one job in 13 hours. Tapos yung another person can complete the same job, it could be lesser or longer hours. Tapos po, yung usual po na um, hinahanap po sa atin is how long would it take if the two of them work together. So, how long daw matatapos yung isang job if the two of them work together. So, parehas po dito sa nasa harapan natin. Suppose daw po, may isang painter can paint the entire job in 12 hours and the second painter takes 8 hours. How long would it take the two painters together to paint the house? Ang first niyo pong gagawin is to identify kung ilang oras po kailangan para po makomplete po yung isang job. For example, sa first painter, dito sabi, dito 12 hours. So, first painter, meron po tayong 12 hours. Sa second painter naman po, ay, ano po siya, 8 hours. Tapos, if they will work together, we could say, or we could use the variable x. So, x hours. Kasi hindi po natin alam yon. Pagkatapos po, we will express it po into fraction. Like job completed per hour. So, makikita po natin dito sa first painter po, that's one job, makakomplete niya in 12 hours. So, 1/12 of the job per hour. The second painter naman po, 8 hours po yung need niya to complete the whole job. So, every hour, makakomplete po siya ng 1/8. Tapos, if they will work together, that's 1/6 per hour. So, if you can see po, yung 12 hours dito, ginawa lang po natin yung fraction or kinuha lang po natin yung kanyang reciprocal. So, 12 nagiging 1/12, si 8 nagiging 1/8, si x nagiging 1/x. Tapos po, we will find or we will combine the labor. Or meron na po tayong equation po dito, 1/12. So makikita nyo po itong 1/12, that's the first painter, job completed per hour. Okay? Tapos si 1/8, that's the job completed ni second painter per hour. Tapos itong 1/x, that's the job completed together per hour. Okay, so meron po tayong example po dito. Working alone, Ryan can dig 10 feet by feet hole in 5 hours. So si Ryan, lagay natin dito, can complete one job in 5 hours. Tapos si Castel, sabi pa Castel can dig the same hole, the same job in 6 hours. Okay, tapos how long would it take them if they work together? So, if they work together, hindi natin alam kung ilang oras bago matapos. So, x hours. Yan. Pagkatapos, we will express this one into fraction. So, makikita natin, 1/5 si Ryan. So, pwede na, 5 hours si Ryan. So, pwede natin ilagay dito na 1/5 of the job per hour, yung nakakomplete ni Ryan. Pagkatapos si Castel naman po, 1/6 of the job per hour, yung kanyang nakakomplete, is equal to 1/x of the job ang nakakomplete if they are together. Okay? So, ito, si Ryan. Okay, ito kay Ryan. Ito kay Castel. At ito kay sa kanilang dalawa. So, together. Pagkatapos po nun ay we will solve now our equation. So, ganito, if fraction 1/5 plus 1/6, kung meron po kayong calculator, you can directly solve it. Pero kung wala po, then you have to get the common denominator. So, the common denominator of 1/5 plus 1/6 is 30. So, ayan, 30. Okay, 30 divided by 5, that's 6 times 1. So, 6 po yan. 30 divided by 6. Okay, times 1, that's 5. Okay, is equal to 1/x. So, meron po tayong 11/30 is equal to 1/x. So, yun po ang gagawin po natin is to cross-multiply. Pwede po natin yung i-cross-multiply, ano? Para po itong ang x ay makuha po natin. So, pag cross-multiply po natin, multiply po natin yan sa 11 times x. So, magiging 11x. Tapos, 30 times 1 naman, that's 30. So, then divide by 11. Para mag-cancel po si 11, Hanggang si x na lang po yung natira kasi siya po yung gusto nating makuha. So, 30 over 11. So, meron po yan sa yung mga calculator. That is 2.73 hours. So, kailangan po ng 2.73 hours para po makomplete yung one job if they work together. So, ganun po yung gagawin. Next, we have here, working together, Jenny and Natalie can map a warehouse in 5.14 hours. So, 5.14 hours daw po if si Jenny and Natalie work together. So, together, okay, they can complete one job in 5.14 hours. Tapos, had she done it alone, it would have taken Natalie, kung si Natalie naman mag-isa, Natalie, 12 hours. So, sabi dyan sa problem, 12 hours. How long would it take Jenny to do it alone? So, ang kailangan natin ay ma-identify kung si Jenny lang po mag-isa. Ilang oras po ang kailangan niya para matapos yung one job. So, let's say X hours. Okay? So, same pa rin po yung formula na gagamitin natin. We will express this one into fraction. Yung mako-complete nila per hour. So, si Jenny, 1 over x kasi hindi natin alam. So, this is Jenny. Okay? Plus, yung kay Natalie, alam natin, 12 hours siya. Okay, Natalie. Okay, tapos, if they work together, alam po natin na 5.14 hours po yung kailangan po nila. And then, now, ang kailangan po natin is, i-solve na po natin ang ating equation. So, let me write it here. Dito po. Okay, so ngayon po, ang gagawin po natin is, ito pong 1 over 12 ay itatranspose po natin yan sa kabila. Para po 1 over x na lang po yung natira on the other side. So, magiging 1 over 5 over 14 minus 1 over 12. Again, if magta-transpose po kayo, yung positive po or yung sign po ay maiiba. So, kung positive 1 over 12, transposing it to the other side, magiging negative 1 over 12. Now, you can use po your calculator kasi meron po kasi siyang butal na 0.14. You can just directly divide 1 over 5.14. So, sa calculator po natin, that's 0.1946. Tapos itong 1 over 12, that's 0.0833. Okay, so if you will subtract the 2, it will give us 0.11127. Okay? So para makuha po natin si x, ang kailangan lang po natin is atin lang po siyang cross-multiply. So magiging x is equal to 1 over 0.11127. So yan po ay 8.99 hours. So, 8.99 hours po. Okay, ayan siya. Yung time na kailangan ni Jenny para matapos po niya yung pagmamap po ng warehouse. So, ganun lang po kung paano po natin i-solve yung problem. We have another problem here po. Sabi dito, Shauna can pour a large concrete driveway in 6 hours. So, Shauna, 6 hours po bago niya makomplete. Si Dan naman, okay, can pour the same driveway in 7 hours. Okay, find how long it would take them if they work together. So, dito, the time together yung kailangan po natin. So, dito po, actually, meron pong other way of solving the problem na we can use this formula. Okay? Hourly fraction together times, multiply po natin yan ng yung time na kailangan nila working together. Time working together, that is equal to complete one job. Okay? One total job. So, if we will use this equation, or use this formula, hourly fraction together, so yung fraction ni Shauna, hourly is 1 over 6. Po ba? Tapos, dan naman, 1/7. Multiplied by time, working together. So, yun yung hinahanap po natin, okay? X equals to complete one total job. So, ito, ang gagawin po natin is, ayan na siya. Meron tayong equation, so isolve na lang po natin yung problem. So, ito, let's have our common denominator. So, yung common denominator po natin sa kay 16 plus 17 is 42. Okay, so 42. So, ayan siya. 42. So, 42 divided 6 times 1, that's 7. 42 divided by 7 times 1, 6. So, plus 6. Okay? Yan siya times x equals 1. So, 7 plus 6, okay, that's 13. Di po ba? 13 over 42 times x is equal to 1. Or we can rewrite this one as 13x over 42 is equal to 1. Okay? So, parang i-multiply lang po natin si x kay 13. Pagkatapos nun, i-cross-multiply po natin siya. So, 1 times 42, that's 42, is equal to 13x. Kasi meron po yung 1 dyan. So, 13x times 1 din, no? Kaya, 13x po yan. So, to get x, divide 13 both sides. So, meron po tayong x equals 42 over 13. And that, our x is equal to 3.23 hours. So, yun po yung time na makukonsume nila if they work together. So, you can solve work word problems using this equation or using this formula or using the first formula that I introduced to you. So, sana po ay meron kayong natutunan and hanggang dito lang po ang ating video. Salamat po and see you po on the next video.